Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and today I'm just checking in with Terry to see, hey Terry, what's going on in the shop?
Oh,
So what's going on with this one?
another Imagine with the busted frame down here at the bottom of the
Oh
bottom
shoot,
of the coach. We lifted it up, it's flexing all over the place.
I see it's bending the actual metal too.
You can reach up behind here and feel the frame that comes across here broke out.
So this is similar to the last one that you did, right?
Yeah.
So basically you're going to pull off that lower skirt, remove the aluminum, rebuild it, put it back in place and secure it.
Yep.
And then anything else?
Along with that, we got a couple typical frame cracks.
More I-beam frame cracks?
I-beam frame cracks.
How many we got?
2 on this side, 1 on the other side.
Where are they?
We got 1 right there.
Let me zoom in. Oh, okay, I see it. Pan your light a little bit to the right. I see the rust mark from it. Okay.
And then we got this one back here.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Right there. And
On the I-beam itself.
yep, we got
Any on the other side that you know of?
got 1 on the other side. It's hard to tell until we grind it out a little bit.
Yeah. So basically you got to jack it up, take off all the wheels,
Yeah.
clean up the area, see how bad they are.
Yep.
All right, well,
That's it,
stay
man.
tuned for more. And this is something, guys, that we keep coming across constantly, right?
Always.
All right.
We love our job.
Keeps us busy. All right. Well, thanks, Terry. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching.